Join me as I make chicken sausage rigatoni with creamy pink sauce, bell pepper, and Parmesan. I've been getting meals from HelloFresh for the last couple of weeks and been making them and putting them up online. I've been enjoying it, been enjoying the flavor, the taste, the quality. It does look pretty yummy. And we'll be taste testing it here at the end. The only thing that you're going to need that does not come with your package is, of course, your medium pot, large pot, a strainer, salt, pepper, olive oil, a little bit of sugar, and butter. So first thing we're going to do is wash our produce, dry it, and then we're going to start cooking the sausage. But this meal only takes about 20 minutes in general to make, and it comes with 2 servings. You can get it with 4 servings, and it's about 890 calories per serving. Here's our sausage. Onion scallops, our bell pepper, the Parmesan cheese. Here's our chili flakes, garlic oregano, tomato paste. Here's our rigatoni. Then here's our creamy sauce. We're going to core and de-seed our red pepper, and then chop up the scallions and separate the white from the green. We're going to go ahead and boil some water and add some salt to it. So there's our whites, and now our greens. We're going to drizzle olive oil in a medium pan, and then we're going to put our bell peppers in it. We're going to cook until the peppers are lightly brown. And then from there we're going to put our sausage in it. Now with sausage, I like to go ahead and cut it up a little bit before I put it in there, because I find it a little bit difficult sometimes to cut the sausage while it's cooking. The water's boiling, our peppers have been in there for 4 to 6 minutes. Now we're going to add the sausage, and then we'll add our white part of our scallions. And I'll mix that together. And as I do that, I'll cut up the sausage more. Now we're going to add our rigatoni to our boiling water. We're going to be making it al dente, which basically means it's still a little bit chewy. As this is cooking, I want to show you what HelloFresh says about chicken sausage rigatoni. So I want to tell you what HelloFresh says about chicken sausage rigatoni and a creamy pink sauce and bell pepper and Parmesan. They say, we consider pasta night a holiday, one that we like to celebrate at least once a week, if not more. If you agree, you're in luck. The dish has it all: al dente rigatoni noodles, sauteed bell peppers, and a flavorful chicken sausage, all tossed in a mouth-watering creamy pink sauce. Of course, the festivities wouldn't be complete without a generous sprinkle of Parmesan. Now let the carb celebrations commence. Okay, our sausage is pretty much about done. We just want to add a little bit of pepper and salt. Turn off the burner. And our rigatoni's got about 4 minutes left. Now what we're going to do is make the season. So what you're going to need is your Italian seasoning, your tomato paste, and sugar. And we're going to coat a medium to small pan. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Put our sausage in it. And then mix that in real well. Got about 1 minute for our rigatoni to be done. Okay, then next we're going to pour in 1/4 of a cup of water into this. And then we're going to let it simmer in there for about 1 minute. Next we're going to stir in our cream and our butter. So you're adding 1 tablespoon of butter for 2 servings, and if you're using 4 servings, it'd be 2 tablespoons. And then mix that all together real well. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to drain my pasta and put the pasta in the mixture. The goal here is just to basically get all your rigatoni coated. If you have, they say if you have to use a reserve pot to do that, go ahead and do so. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bigger pan. That way it'll help me coat the pasta. Then they said if you want to add a splash of the reserved water back into this just to make sure that the pasta's coating, you can do that just a little bit at a time. Add the green part of our scallions. And then sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. Just to go ahead and put the chili flakes on there. Now my daughter, who does not like chili flakes, I will not be putting this on hers. More red in the picture, but might have to do with not putting the chili flakes on it. So let's see how she likes it. Alright, let's see what you think. Yummy?
It's okay.
Okay. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
A 7.
Well, 7's not bad. 7's not bad. So is it something, the chicken sausage rigatoni, is that something you'd want me to order again, or you'd want me to pass and get something else instead?
Yeah, I would order it again.
Yeah, okay.
That I've had before, though I've never had something like this ever. So, trying to pinpoint, I think it's the sauce.
Do you like the texture of the noodles?
The noodles texture is the same.
It's supposed to be a little bit chewy, which they call al dentes, to be a little bit chewy.
Yeah, it was
So
a
it's
little
not
bit.
too soft, right?
No, it's not too soft and it's not too hard.
So you like the combination of the Parmesan cheese and the scallions, right?
Yeah, the scallions give it a bit of crunch. The cheese is good.
Cool, cool.
The sauce I can't pinpoint the taste of the sauce yet. I don't know.
But nothing. The sauce is not too overpowering. Would you say it's the right combination?
I think for most people it's pretty good, but I don't know.
Now, your mom's made you HelloFresh before as well. Is there anything that sticks out in your mind that she's made you that you really like?
The Thai meatballs.
All the Thai meatballs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sweet. So, I also ordered you the sun-dried tomato spaghetti that you picked out with fresh herbs, almonds, and Parmesan. That actually does look good. We'll be trying that out later this week, and then you ordered a pizza as well. So that's all right. Thanks for reviewing my cooking and the HelloFresh.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here, and you need to subscribe to Robert Wilbur's YouTube channel. He'll inspire you like no other. He's persistent, loving, magnificent, and will keep you coming back for more. And smash that like button too while you're at it. OxyClean.